Becoming a millionaire is easy. Making money is easy. The 3 steps on how you can become a millionaire using the law of attraction. The first thing I want you to do is decide to become a millionaire. Don't choose to be a millionaire. Don't, believe you might become a millionaire. No, decide. Make it a definite decision. A definite decision. Comment that down below. I decide to be a millionaire. What is the difference between a millionaire and someone who's not a millionaire but wants to make a lot of money? The millionaire decided to become a millionaire, right? They had it in their head. They realized it wasn't a greed thing, right? They knew they were going to become a millionaire. They had decided they were going to do it, and they were going to die trying becoming a millionaire. That was their main financial goal, was to become a multi-millionaire, right? Well, my brother, and my dad manifested a $2 million company. And you know what? That sounds difficult, but it was really easy. I'm not trying to undercut the achievement. Once your mindset is there, anything is possible. That's how powerful the law of attraction is. So comment down below, I decide to become a millionaire. Okay, step 2 is we're gonna visualize ourselves as this millionaire. You're gonna do it during meditation. I highly suggest you do a meditation for a minute of every hour of the day. So it's 24 minutes of a meditation. What you want to do is for the first 5 minutes, count your breaths. So 1, and then go on to 2, and go up to 10. Try your best not to think about anything else but your breaths. Keep doing this until you've gotten to 10 breaths without really thinking about anything else. You will be in a hypnotic state by then, right? And if not, just keep doing it until you feel relaxed, right? And you're just kind of drifting a little bit. And what I want you to do now is I want you to visualize yourself as a millionaire, but not like the other visualizations you've done, right? Not like the other times. No, I want you to get chills. I want chills to rise up your arm. I want you to nearly tear up. I do that all the time. Visualizing yourself as this millionaire, right? I want you to have a list of things that you want to do as a millionaire, and I want you to put that into the visualization bank. Okay, it's very important that you write these down. 90% of you probably won't write it down. And the people who do write it down, though, are going to make significant changes when it comes to their visualization. Once you know what you want with the $1 million, once you have your reasons, so why do you want to become a millionaire? And visualize those things. You'll know it's a good one when it gives you chills, right? So for 24 minutes out of the day, I want you to be a multi-millionaire. Give yourself freedom to do that. And if you need some help, think big, guys. Take big, confident affirmations. But in step 3, I'm going to show you exactly what's going on and how you're manifesting. So step 3 is you want to receive. You want to receive this $1 million. Everybody gets this wrong. You want to receive, so be open to it. Keep an open mind. The money could come from a lottery ticket. It could come from, once you're doing these visualizations, you're going to be on that frequency, right? So you're going to be attracting things. You're going to attract books. You'll be at half-price books, and a book will stand out to you, which might have the idea of a lifetime. Someone you've met at a bar, you've been talking, and all of a sudden you say, hey, I have this idea. How do you know if that's a good idea, though? This is a secret tip. What does your gut say? Do you feel good or do you feel slimy? I'm also an author, and I just got asked to be published by another publisher. And when they were talking to me, I instantly got this slimy, greasy feeling inside of my gut. And I just knew this was a bad idea. And thank God I didn't take it, because they were very unreputable. So that is your instincts. That is the universe talking to you. Okay? You want another example? It's Kai Valentine and Manifest Yourself, guys. That is a team effort. The law of attraction, the universe, brought us together to make videos to help people like you become the millionaire that you deserve to be, right? I mean, there's proof right there for you that this stuff works. You're going to attract the strangest things into your life, and you know what your job is to do? Is to be open to it. To be open to it, okay? Be open to anything that comes to you. Ideas, people, books, magazines, TV. You never know where you're going to get this inspiration from. But remember, you don't have to worry about how you're going to become a millionaire. That's the magic of this. Remember, money is easy to make. The universe will supply everything that you need. Just like in the book, The Alchemist. Have you read The Alchemist? You really should. It's an amazing book. In the book, The Alchemist said, whenever you have your desire, right? You know what your desire is. The universe will conspire to bring it to you. Comment that down below. The universe conspires to bring me my desire. So guys, it's easy to become a millionaire. It's easy to make money. I'm living proof. And remember to subscribe down below to manifest yourself, and come hang out with me on my channel if you decide. I'd love to see you. Hit that like button and share with a friend who you think deserves to see this video.